Today we are going to unbox a very special radio, one that I bought for my Katie here.
I'm now a secret squirrel member.
It's nice that they put that plastic bag around there to,
Protect their actual box.
in case they leave it out in the rain.
Yeah, because some companies don't put something in a box and just slap a label on it and ship it that way.
I think we should use the microphones.
No, I think we're okay.
Okay.
I'll just talk loud.
Talk loud.
Loud. I'm just trying to be careful.
Washroom 552-1062.
Why?
Thank you.
Because I don't want to mark up the actual package of what I'm opening. In case, for some reason, it has to be shipped back. I'm just careful like that.
Can you read any of that?
No, it's Japanese.
It's not Japanese. It's Chinese.
Okay, it's all Chinese to me.
That matters in the radio world, I guess. People enjoy the Japanese, but not so much the Chinese. But, you know, I like the Chinese. I have an aunt who's Chinese. Baofeng.
Okay. You can show that, but there's not a whole lot of English on there.
It's got a 2-inch display. It's a multi-band transceiver and a Type-C battery. I don't know what a Type-C battery is, but I'm pretty sure that just means a Type-C USB charging interface.
I believe you're right. Dum dum dum.
Look at all that crap in there.
That's not crap.
There's so much crap inside of there.
It's not crap.
Alright. What do you got inside that box, Katie?
We have a lapel mic.
A lapel mic?
Or a shoulder mic
Yes.
for some of the layman term people. And we have an earpiece, which I'm going to probably not be able to use because most of the rubbers they put on there where it goes behind your ear has latex in it, and I have a latex allergy, so I'll
Hence
try
why
it.
we have River. Sorry, go ahead.
We have a base charger with a USB-C plug-in, a USB to USB-C cord, the outlet to USB-C to plug into the base unit. We have the clip,
What kind of clip?
a belt clip,
Belt clip?
strap clip. We have a mini antenna, a snibby,
Look at what's the writing on there?
AR-805S.
Spin it around. Ooh, a nubby.
They provide you with a mini little screwdriver.
Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum.
This is the antenna. Well, yes, one of them.
This was called a rubber duck, Katie.
A rubber duck.
Yeah.
Quack, quack. And then they put these two together conveniently. This is the battery.
That's the extended battery.
Yes, it is the extended battery. She's thick. Here is the holster clip, where the clip can either go on here or the radio, I'm guessing.
No,
No?
no.
I'm wrong?
There's no spot for the clip on the radio.
Oh, well,
You'll see.
I was, okay.
Yeah, the clip is for the holster.
Here's another regular battery,
Standard battery.
and here's the radio. Radio. It's green.
Because you don't make clear radios. That was my only other option.
Oh,
She got one that looks like mine.
We can match at least.
Yes.
And we have the handy dandy instruction manual and a, okay, I gotta take this one out of the package because I think it's kind of cool. The extended whip antenna that flexes.
This tactical antenna.
Sorry.
So it's like gooseneck,
Yeah.
and it's dual band. Show them what happens when you bend it. Yeah. And it's heavy.
It is
I like
heavy.
the knurling on the connector.
Then yeah, it's got a good grip.
Cool.
Thank you.
And for time's sake, instead of putting it all together,
We'll show you
And
a
just-
different one.
hand you mine. And that's what it looks like with the regular rubber duck and standard battery. What model is this?
The DM-32UV.
DM-32UV. We're gonna set it up and do some videos of using it and how it all works, but it's kind of a matter of learning how it works because DMR is highly confusing. But luckily I already have a code plug. I have a code plug written for it already, so. Do you like it so
do.
far?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Katie, for doing an unboxing for us.
You're welcome.
And thank you for being here on KE9EIX.
73, y'all.